I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Cadillac SRX. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Next, carefully position the donor vehicle close to your SRX, ensuring they do not touch. Finally, confirm both vehicles are completely turned off and their parking brakes are firmly engaged before proceeding with any connections. This preparation is crucial for a safe jump start. Now let's connect the jumper cables. Take the red, positive cable and securely attach one clamp to the positive terminal of your dead Cadillac SRX battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Then, take the other end of the red cable and connect its clamp to the positive terminal of the working donor vehicle's battery. Ensure these connections are firm and stable. Next, take the black negative cable. Attach one clamp to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. For the other end, find an unpainted metal surface on your Cadillac SRX away from the battery and securely attach the final black clamp there. This creates a safe ground. Once connected, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. To disconnect safely, reverse the order. Remove the black clamp from the SRX's metal surface, then the black clamp from the donor battery. Next, remove the red clamp from the donor battery, and finally, the red clamp from your SRX battery. Once disconnected, let your Cadillac SRX run for at least 15 minutes to recharge. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.